Sa video natin today, pag-uusapan natin ang WooCommerce security sa Bluehost so you can protect your store, your customers, and your income. What's up guys? My name is Ashley and sa guide na to, papakita ko sa inyo ang pinaka-importanting ways to keep your online store safe. Kapag nag-launch ka ng WooCommerce stores, pumapasok ka sa isang totoong online business and real businesses need real protection. Most beginners rush through setup, pumipili sila ng host, install WooCommerce, and start adding products. And then they hope that everything will be fine, but hope really is not a plan. Ngayon, mas common na kaysa dati yung mga attacks sa online stores. This video is gonna help you understand exactly what to do so problems never surprise you later. Magsimula tayo sa basics. Ano ba ang Bluehost at WooCommerce? So, ang Bluehost ay isang website hosting company. Ang hosting naman ay isang service na nagsistore ng website files mo at ginagawa tong visible sa internet. Kapag may nag-type ng domain name mo sa browser, si Bluehost yung nagde-deliver ng pages papunta sa kanila. Think of Bluehost as the house for your website. And then WooCommerce is a plugin inside WordPress, so WordPress gives you the website. WooCommerce adds shopping features, gumagawa to ng product pages, cart page, checkout pages, and customer account pages. Sila yung transform ng isang normal na blog or website into a real store. Kapag pinatakbo mo ang WooCommerce sa Bluehost, you get a very beginner-friendly way to sell online. Kaya mong i-manage yung products, prices, shipping, and payments all from your own domain. Customers can pay directly through PayPal or Stripe, and sobrang ganda nito para sa new owners. Pero dahil dyan, ibig sabihin, hawak mo na rin yung real customer data, and real customer data must be protected. Now, Bluehost offers built-in tools like free SSL certificates, automatic backups, and optional malware protection. So, pag-uusapan natin kung paano i-connect lahat yan para mapanatiling safe ang lahat. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang big question, bakit ba to importante? So, kapag yung WooCommerce store mo ay nasa internet, nagiging target siya, hindi to personal, reality lang talaga to. Hackers, bots, and bad scripts scan the web every minute looking for weak websites. Usually, yung beginners, yung pinaka-easy targets kasi hindi pa talaga nila alam kung ano yung gagawin. Importante yung security kasi yung WooCommerce store mo humahawak ng tatlong very sensitive things. Una, payments. Ibig sabihin nito, credit card numbers at billing addresses. If payment data is stolen, customers can lose real money. You can lose trust, and you can lose access to payment processors entirely. Pangalawa, humahawak din to ng customer accounts. Ibig sabihin, emails, usernames, and passwords. People reuse passwords across many sites. So if logins on your store are attacked, that can spread harm far beyond your website. At pangatlo, humahawak din ito ng actual business files and databases. Ang database is where WooCommerce stores orders. Orders ay ang lifeblood ng shop mo. Kaya kapag yung data na yan nasira or na-encrypt dahil sa attack, ang store mo can stop working overnight. Nandiyan ang Bluehost security tools. Yung SSL, backups, and malware protection, nagka-create sila ng simple layers that keep your store running safely. So bago tayo mag-dive sa tips, I wanna clearly explain what these protections actually accomplish. So magsimula tayo sa SSL certificates. Yung SSL certificates, nagka-create sila ng encrypted connections. Required yung encryption na yan para sa online checkout. It changes your site to HTTPS and adds the lock icon in browsers. Yung SSL, pinoprotektahan niya yung data transfer so hackers can't easily read private information at nagbibigay din siya ng signal sa shoppers na legit and trustworthy yung store mo. Next naman yung automatic backups. So backups create saved restore points. Kinokopya nila yung buong website at WooCommerce database. This is gonna protect beginners from both human mistakes and real attacks. Means you can roll back the clock on your website if anything goes wrong. Kapag walang backups, kahit small problems, pwedeng maging disasters. Next naman, yung malware protection. So, malware protection scans your website files. It looks for infected plugins, harmful code, and bad uploads. Sa ngayon, yung regular scanning, nakakatulong para ma-detect agad yung problems at ma-clean up bago pa sila kumalat. Pag meron kang antivirus para sa server mo, these three protections are the heart of what we're gonna talk about. Ngayon, i-combine natin lahat para ma-apply mo sila sa real action. So, una, enable mo agad yung free SSL. Sa ngayon, hindi na optional ang SSL para sa WooCommerce stores. The first thing any beginner should do on Bluehost is make sure SSL is active from day one. Ang ginagawa nito, pinoprotektahan niya lahat ng forms, logins, and checkout pages sa WooCommerce store mo. It creates instant trust with browsers, pinapagana niya yung payment processors, minimake sure niya na naglo-load yung buong site mo sa HTTPS imbes na HTTP. If you take payments on WooCommerce, SSL should be your very first step. Step number 2 is make sure every page forces HTTPS. Once SSL is active, WordPress must fully commit to HTTPS mode. Ang ginagawa nito, pinipigilan niya yung mixed content errors at secure checkout warnings. Dapat laging secure ang paglo-load ng store mo mula homepage hanggang sa final order confirmation page. This is gonna keep your secure connection consistent across your entire website. Step number 3 is to use automatic backups as real insurance. Yung backups, pinaprotektahan ka nila from almost everything. WooCommerce stores change daily. Orders, customers, and products are stored in that database. Yung automatic backup sa Bluehost, ibig sabihin may copies na ginagawa para sa'yo kahit makalimutan mo pa. This is what allows you to restore your store fast after maybe a plugin update problem, a broken theme, human mistake, or even a real attack. Kaya every beginner WooCommerce owner dapat talaga mag-rely sa Bluehost automatic backups o sa second WordPress backup plugin. 2 backups are always better than 1. Step number 4 ay export mo yung WooCommerce orders for extra peace of mind. It's really smart to keep your own personal CSV export of orders, customer lists, product and product catalogs. Ang ginagawa nito, binibigyan ka ng full control sa business data mo kahit ano pang mangyari sa website mo later. This is gonna help beginners stay organized and protected if they ever migrate away from Bluehost as well. Step number 5, i-keep mo updated lagi yung WordPress and WooCommerce mo. Yung updates part talaga ng security and outdated plugins are the number 1 way hackers enter WooCommerce stores. What this does is close old security holes and keep your store compatible with Bluehost servers and browsers. Dapat gawing simple habit ang pag-update ng WordPress core, WooCommerce at lahat ng active plugins. Clean and updated software, mas okay lagi kaysa outdated at crowded software. Step number 6 is to remove plugins that you don't need. Mas konti, mas safe. Beginners often experiment with page builders, extra themes, and random plugins. Ang ginagawa nito, binabawasan nila yung script sa server mo at binabawasan din yung risk. At the same time, make sure you delete any unused themes so WooCommerce stay light and safe. Step number 7, gumamit ka ng WordPress firewall plugin. So Bluehost protects the server side, but beginners should also protect WordPress itself. What it does is block brute force login attempts and suspicious IP addresses. Layered protection is key. Bluehost malware scanning plus WordPress firewall scanning together, pinoprotektahan nila both yung application and yung server. Step number 8, gumamit ka ng staging sites. So bago ka mag-big changes, staging is the best kept secrets na yan. What this does is let beginners test updates and changes safely before pushing them live. Kapag nasira ang staging, your real WooCommerce store stays untouched. Step number 9 is to use strong passwords everywhere. Security is not only tools, it's habits. Yung strong password plus 2-step login nakaka-reduce ng brute force attack sa WordPress admin panels. What this does is keep control in the right hands and protect Bluehost. WooCommerce files from beginner mistakes, kaya dapat gumamit ng long and unique passwords para sa Bluehost accounts, WordPress admin, at WooCommerce administrator users. Nire-recommend ko talaga yung 1Password to help manage all of these passwords. Step number 10, mag-run ka ng regular malware scans. Importante talaga yung malware scans. Ang ginagawa nito, nagde-detect siya ng mga harmful files na nagtatago sa loob ng plugins or uploads. Regular scanning prevents blacklisting and keeps WooCommerce stores healthy. If Bluehost alerts you to a malware, act quickly para ma-quarantine at malinis yung files before they spread. Okay, now na naintindihan mo na kung paano i-enhance ang security mo sa Bluehost, pag-usapan naman natin yung pros and cons. So, ang paggamit ng Bluehost and WooCommerce together has so many positives. Ang biggest positive talaga is ease of use for users. Yung free SSL certificates, madali lang i-enable. Automatic backups require almost no technical skill. And malware scans give nervous beginners peace of mind. Another positive pa, centralized control siya. Lahat nasa isang place lang. Ang Bluehost remains one of the most beginner-friendly ways to host WooCommerce stores. May mga negatives din na dapat i-consider at tandaan ha. Yung some advanced malware malware protection options, pwedeng may extra cost. Yung backups, kailangan pa rin ng occasional check-ins paminsan-minsan to confirm that they're working. At yung WooCommerce, nakadepende siya sa plugins, and plugins always add some risk kahit ano pang host ang piliin ng beginner. Another negative, yung learning curve. Sa first time na magbubukas ang beginners ng Bluehost dashboards at menus, it can feel a bit overwhelming. Overall, mas lamang pa rin talaga yung pros kaysa sa cons, but beginners must still put in a bit of a real effort to maintain security. Ngayon na naiintindihan mo na, pag-usapan naman natin ang iba't ibang plans and pricing options. Kung gusto mo yung best price possible, may link tayo sa description below. Kapag kinlik mo yung link na yun, pwede kang mag-get started now at dadalhin ka nito sa iba't ibang options. Pwede kang makasave ng 70% sa starter plan, yung $2.99 per month na plan. Sa plan na to, may kasamang 10 websites. Ideal siya for 40k visits per month. May kasama kang free CDN, free SSL, free malware scanning, web application firewall, DDoS protection, and weekly website backups. So yan ang starter plan. Then, meron tayong business plan which saves you 57%. So, nagiging $5.99 per month na lang siya. With this, you get more websites, more storage, at mas ideal siya for more visits per month plus security features. Nasa yun na lahat ng kasama sa starter plan, pero may dagdag ka pang domain privacy fee, first year at malware detection / removal. So, may mga extra features ka dito. Then, meron tayong e-commerce essentials which is $13.99 per month. So, makakasave ka ng 36%. Kasama na dito lahat ng nasa business plan, pero may dagdag ka pang commerce tools kasama ng security. Kasama rin lahat ng nasa business plan, so piliin mo talaga yung plan na best fit sa needs mo. May 30-day money back guarantee sila. So kung hindi mo nagustuhan at feel mo hindi siya fit para sa'yo bago mag 30 days, pwede ka makakuha ng refund. So basically, risk-free talaga siya. Ngayon, para sa'yo ba to? Kung nagbibuild ka ng first website mo at first WooCommerce store mo, this setup is really smart fit. Yung SSL, automatic backup, and malware protection, essential layers talaga yan. Bluehost offers this in each of their plans. So, kung nagbebenta ka ng products online, binibigyan ka talaga nila ng practical tools para maging achievable yung security. For new owners, this may not be ideal if you plan to run a very large custom WooCommerce store immediately. It's also not ideal if you want the cheapest possible hosting plan and refuse any security add-ons. These days, yung real protection talaga kailangan ng konting effort mula sa beginners. But for normal first-time store owners who want a grounded, reliable foundation for WooCommerce safety, Bluehost and WooCommerce remains a very practical option. Alam ko kung gaano ka-stressful yung pag-figure out ng security para sa WooCommerce store mo on your own. Karamihan ng beginners gusto lang mag-build ng first website at magbenta, but real sales requires real trust. And that's why the SSL certificates, automatic backups, and malware scanning are gonna help you create that trust. Kung gusto mong i-check out mismo ang Bluehost, don't forget to use our link down below. Gusto ko lang i-mention na affiliate link sa mga to, which means pwede kaming kumita ng small commission nang walang extra cost sa'yo. So, if you do choose to use our link, sobrang thank you talaga in advance sa suporta mo sa channel namin. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Yung channel na to, dedicated siya para tulungan ang online store owners na mag-grow faster and sell more with simple tools and clear steps. Don't forget to like this video, mag-subscribe sa channel namin kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, at syempre mag-iwan ng comments or questions sa baba because we'd love to hear from you. Salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.